Alright, what we have here today is a new Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. I have done some mods to it. As you can tell, I put on a Confederate flag faceplate. That's not a paper, that's a metal faceplate. It'll last a long time. I've also added a turbo echo board. It's mounted to the chassis on the inside and it's controlled by the Delta tune. Also on the Chrome 29's, the talkback is really weak. There's a mod you can do to boost it up. The talkback works really nice. You can crank it up real loud. You can shut it off. It is what it is. Radio is peaked and tuned. I got it set dead key 2 watts. Swings around 1820. If you want to add a linear, it's perfect for it. I've also added I had a lot of calls for the white LED. So I added the white LED on this one. Audio check. 1, 2. There it is what it is. Radio works extremely well. That comes with everything you need. Owner's manual, bracket, power cord, mic, box. Nice little radio. Makes somebody a really strong mobile unit. These radios will talk. You check out my feedback on these radios and they do work very well. Been tuned for best receive and best transmit. Is what it is. What you see is what you will receive.